Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of August. And first of all, national news. Justice UU Lalit has been appointed as the 49th Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice congratulated Justice UU Lalit on becoming his successor. At 852 COVID cases in Mumbai spiked by almost 79% on Wednesday. Godavari crossed danger mark, flood threat in 5 Andhra Pradesh districts. Activist Varvara Rao still unwell but happy with bail order. Lawyer. In Gujarat, Arvind Kejriwal's monthly allowance for women promise. Tejasvi Yadav also took oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state. Tejasvi Yadav priorities unemployment, poverty, he said after oath. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath announced free bus rides to women above 60 years. And now some international news. Sri Lanka protested camp cleared after 4 months amid action against leaders. Children in London to be offered polio booster jab after virus detected in sewage samples. Russian control of Ukraine nuclear plant endangers the region, G7 nations. Task around Taiwan completed, troops to stay combat ready, says China. China warned against separatist activities in Taiwan, Vows action. Musk sold around $8.5 billion worth of shares in the electric car maker in April. And now some sports news. Mumbai Indians honors unveiled names of United Arab Emirates and South Africa T20 franchises. Bhavani Devi won gold, defends Commonwealth fencing championship title. Indian football administrators filed contempt petition against ex-AIFF chief. And now let's have a look on business news. Sensex, Nifty end nearly flat in a staring match between bulls and bears. RBI announced first set of rules for digital lending. New credit ratings rules could see 100 firms downgraded, ratings bodies. Rupees 50,000 crore forex saved by blending ethanol with petrol in 7 to 8 years PM. Home loans get more expensive. Bank of Baroda hikes rates by 0.25%. Companies swapping dollar for Asian currencies to buy Russian coal. Elon Musk sold $6.9 billion of Tesla to avoid Twitter tussle fire sale. Restore railway concession fare for senior citizens, recommends Parliamentary committee. And now let's have a look on weather. On 11th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 31 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.